Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today because I'm talking about something that I've been wanting to talk about for a while, but I had to wait till I got all my pieces. Y'all know I don't like intros like that, so I'm just going to get right into showing you what I got and the prices that I got them for. Okay, so I'm going to start with probably the least exciting to the most exciting to me. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is a dress. Now, yes, it looks like a tank top. It's short and it looks miniature. It has a little slit, hold on. Has a little slit right here in the front. It's really cute, strapped super long, and it seems like it's not what it is, but it is a dress. The straps are meant to be long because the top of the dress comes just up underneath, and then it actually is not as short as it seems. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. What I paired it with is one, like an oversized crop tee. You can also wear a shirt underneath it and kind of show off ties and kind of what it's made to do. So I paired it with a turtleneck just to give you, I mean, it's about to be summertime, so I don't know how you want to do that, but it's in Wisconsin up here, it's kind of cold. But I paired it with a turtleneck because it doesn't look right with a tank top. Then it just looks like all you see is boobs and it's just not that cute. So I would wear it with something like this that kind of hangs off the shoulder and put it I just want to pause real quick. Do I look like Daphne right now or no? Am I giving you Daphne or what? Do you see Daphne? Because I see Daphne, and that was not on purpose. Next one. The only problem with Aliexpress is that you don't know when your things are going to come. Some of my things came in 3 days. Some of my things took up to a month. So there's actually some people in their comments where they'd be like, oh, I love it, fabric's great, but it took me 3 months to get it. Once I got all my pieces and then I was waiting still for one more, I was just like, is it coming? Can you guys send me a tracking thing? And sometimes they'll send you, that company sent me a tracking information, but it was all in Japanese. So I'm like, and they gave me an English tracking number. It had numbers inside of their tracking thing. It just said error. I'm like, thanks guys. So the next thing that I got, and you may wonder, why is she buying so much black? But it's because I work at a place where I have to wear all black all the time. So for me, it was more so like, do you want to buy everyday clothes or do you want to buy clothes for work? So I got this basic black t-shirt. Looks basic, I know, but the good thing is the arms, like I like the way the arms sit. It makes it look like a boyfriend t-shirt. So I really enjoyed that. I also like that the material, you can't tell, and a lot of the stuff from Aliexpress doesn't have a tag. So there's no tag on here. I don't know, wait a minute. Underneath it just has an M to tell us what size it is. And also, yeah, so there's no tag in here, like actual tag to tell you like what it's made of. It probably wouldn't be in English anyway, but no tag. But the material on this, girl, is real nice. I enjoy it. So this is my basic t-shirt, and I'll show y'all how I dress this up. I get talked about all the time for not carrying a purse. I never carry a purse. I don't like purses. They get on my nerves. I don't like stuff sitting on my shoulder. I carry a wallet and it looks like a little boy's wallet and everybody hates it. And I put it down all the time. And I can't do that. I'm a woman and I cannot put my bag down. It's not safe. But I do it all the time. So even though like people that are around me. I used to carry fanny packs before they became a thing, but they're like, Lauren, you need to get a fanny pack in every color for every single outfit that you wear because you need something to go around your waist, your chest, or something. You need to be carrying a fanny pack. So I got one of these. I don't say that basic, but I like it. So this is a one size fits all item. Remove the chain if you don't want it. There's like a really nice hook right here, but I think that, should I get this closer, like a little circle hook right here so you can slip it out. One more thing that I can say about AliExpress is that sometimes things are not consistent. So one of the things would be that when I saw the reviews for this, you just weigh your options. You like, AliExpress is a must read the reviews type of site. You do not have an option on reading the reviews. If you see something that looks cute and you didn't read the reviews, you're not gonna get what you think you're gonna get. You're just not. So I read the reviews. 8 out of 10 were really good. Some of them were like, oh, it doesn't look like the picture. But you need to read those and figure out why it doesn't look like the picture, because sometimes a person would say something like it'd be so random. They'll be like, didn't look like the picture, kind of disappointed. The underneath part of the belt wasn't silver like how it showed. Okay, that's not as bad. And they'll give them like a 1 star. And it's like, you know, personal opinion. If you needed the underneath part to be silver, then it makes sense because you thought you were buying a silver underneath thing. But that's the type of stuff you need to read for, because I mean, that didn't make a difference to me whether the underneath part came silver, black, whatever. I wouldn't have cared. You know what? I'm just gonna see how it looks if it's bulky, because if this doesn't look right, then, oh, see, you can't even see it. It looks pretty darn good to me. The next thing that I got, which I am also sad to say it's in black, but it is this really cute shirt like this. I did get this in a size medium, and I could have gotten a small, but I kind of feel like this material is really nice, but I just feel like it might shrink, and I kind of wouldn't be mad if it shrank just like a small amount, just because when things like this shrink a little, it kind of gives it like a more scrunched look. And I feel like these sides are meant to be like cinched to the, like, they're supposed to be tighter to the waist, and they're not that tight on me. But I still like the way it fits. I feel like if I would have got a small, it would have been too tight on my my chest area, and then I just wouldn't have liked the way it laid. But I like the way this lays a lot, and I got it medium, so that's cool too. The next thing that I got was this. It is a bird. Okay. It is a floral, kind of. Yeah, floral. It's like a button-up maxi dress. I don't even know what makes a maxi dress a maxi dress. I thought that was like flowy, but I really don't know. Normally when I buy things and it says long, and the people in the picture, even though it may say underneath, model is 5'9". Whatever she has on must be catered to her, because when I get it in the mail, my ankles are out. So, she couldn't have been 5'9", or this ain't the same dress or pants. So, but this, it looks on me the same way it looks on the girl in the picture, and I know they didn't take the picture, but it looks really good. Like I said, I'm 5'8", so I never expect for things to be as long on me as they are on the picture, which is also why I go a size up. Although, when shopping at AliExpress, I would recommend going a size up in everything, just because it is coming from, most of it's coming from parts of China, and typically things run like a size or 2 smaller. I'll get some little 380, 390 leggings from Forever 21. A while ago, I used to buy a small, and I was like, you know what? I'm sure your girl's not a small anymore, so I got the medium. Let me tell you that I was in there, like, could not get them leggings on for, I couldn't get them on for anything. Like, I tried for so long, and I'm just sitting there like, because if I'm that, I'm not even thinking about me at this point. I'm like, if I had a medium, then who's a medium? Because if I'm a large, that's jacked up for the people who should potentially be larger, because I'm not that big. If I'm a large, what size are all the other girls supposed to get? That's just a little bit thicker than me. They're supposed to go to a 1X. They're not a 1X. They should be I should be a medium. I really should be a medium. Last thing, well, kind of the last thing that I got from Aliexpress was these like Kim Possible pants. They are awesome. The first time I wore them, everybody was like, you look like Kim Possible. I'm like, I should have had orange hair, because they're so cute. They're a little bit wrinkly right now, but they're so cute. The little buckles actually buckle. Have all the seat belts. I am S for safety on this day. The pockets have the buckles as well. There's also scrunched ankles, which I was not. When I have scrunched ankles, it just emphasizes the fact that, oh, she looks like a chicken. So, the first thing that I got from Aliexpress was this black wig, which I don't have right now because it's all balled up because I'm mad at it. But I'm going to show you guys a little picture of how it looks when I wore it the first day. I added bangs to it. I just didn't feel like doing the whole ball cap, mold my hair down type thing, so I didn't. And I just put it on. And I'm like, you'll be staying glueless, easy install, just put it on. And I don't know if it's my head shape, but it did not lay how I needed it to lay. So I was like, it was lifting. I don't appreciate the lifting. I can't do it. If I can see it, you can see it. If you can see it, we can see it. And if we can see it, it's a problem. I had this wig, which turned out pretty alright. Truly being glueless, with it truly not having anything on it, with it just being literally placed on my head with no, I don't even have a stocking cap underneath. I don't have no stocking cap. I don't have nothing. So I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked it. I hope that you found trust in Aliexpress. And yeah, have a wonderful, blessed day. I will see you guys in the next video. If you don't mind, leave some comments, leave some ideas of what you want to see next, if you want to see anything next. Also, hit subscribe, like it, follow me on Instagram. See you guys next time.